Everything was going great. Vibes, passion, late night talks. And then boom, she changes. She's distant, cold, and it feels like she just disappeared. Sound familiar? She stops replying fast, cancels plans, stops saying, I miss you. Maybe she even seems annoyed with you now. And you're stuck thinking, what did I do wrong? You want her back because you know she's not always like this. But let's be real. Chasing her right now, worst move ever. Here's the truth. Girls don't just flip for no reason. They react to how they feel in the moment and how you make them feel. If you've been overly available, too needy, or obsessed with making it work, that kills the attraction. She starts pulling away. It happens all the time. You're too focused on the relationship. It's all you talk about, all you think about. You let anxiety drive your texts, calls, and reactions. Always checking your phone, overthinking every message. You're too responsive. Instant replies, love bombs, canceling plans for her. You stopped being a challenge. At that point, she doesn't feel excited or curious about you anymore. She feels smothered. She pulls away. What most guys do? Beg, apologize, write paragraphs, promise to change, try to fix it. None of that works. She's already gone, mentally, emotionally, and soon, physically. This is where the magnet effect comes in. Imagine two magnets. Positive attracts negative. But positive versus positive, they repel. Right now, you're both positive. You're chasing, and she's backing off. That's why it's not working. What you do instead? Flip your charge. Become the negative. Focus on you, your goals, your fitness, your money, your peace. Stop chasing her. Let her feel the space. The moment you stop chasing and start living, she feels that energy shift. Suddenly, she's the one thinking about you. She watches your stories again. That's the magnet effect. It's not magic. It's psychology plus confidence. If she walked away, let her. You can't force real connection. But you can rebuild your value, not just to her, but to yourself. And that's what makes people come back. Want the full breakdown? Hit the link in bio for the free Get Her Back action plan, or just remember, don't chase. Elevate. Let her come to you. 100